Good evening, everyone. Welcome to Stock Pay. Today, we'll discuss what we can expect from Nifty, Bank Nifty, and some stocks tomorrow. And we also go through some brief about today's trades. So we are clearly mentioned at higher levels, we will see selling pressure, and it has fallen to the levels where we have marked like somewhere around 400 levels, and below that it will come to 330 levels Nifty. So it has done that both the levels. So for tomorrow, we can expect what we can expect tomorrow. So still the broader market is still weak, and for tomorrow we can expect resistance support around 23,000 to 20,010 levels. So where this level will act as a some kind of support for tomorrow. Breaching of this level can bring Nifty to 23,140 levels. So these are the two supports for Nifty tomorrow. And upper side, we have very good resistance at 23,400 and 420 levels, 400 to 420 levels. Above this, we can see up to 23,600 again in the Nifty. So we never have to be biased in the market. So whichever side the market breaks, so we'll follow the trade accordingly. So above 23,400 is the resistance, 400 to 420. And above 420, we can go for a fresh buying that can bring to 23,600 levels. And downside, 23,000 to 23,010 will be acting as a very good support. Below that, we can expect 23,140 levels, 140 to 130 levels for the Nifty. So as it is little overbought zone, it may bounce little 400 to 420 levels. And if it is not sustaining that levels, we can short again for the 300 or even below levels for tomorrow. And next we'll look into Bank Nifty. So when compared to Nifty, Bank Nifty is having bit strength. It is holding maybe because of this RBI policy and all those things. It is still holding bit better than the Nifty. So even though we will look into the levels like 49,600, that is what we have expected the support for the Nifty, Bank Nifty, and exactly at 49,000. Like somewhere around 700 levels, it has taken support and reversed. So somewhere around 49,700 level will act as a support tomorrow as well. The 700 to 700 and 680 to 600 and 680 to 49,680 to 700 will be acting as a support for tomorrow. And below that, we can see fall till this level. That could be around 49,350 to 360 levels. So on upside, we have resistance, very good resistance at 50,000 levels. So that is around 50,025. Above that, we can see up to 50,150. And above this, we can see till this level, somewhere around 50,250 levels. So Bank Nifty, I'm expecting it is to be in the narrow range until and unless there is some good news from or bad news from anywhere. So it is going to be in a little range bound in the when compared to Nifty. So 50,150 to 250 is a resistance zone, and 49,700 to 600 is the support zone. So breaking of any of these levels will bring very good moment, about 400 to 500 points in the Bank Nifty. Next, we'll look into TCS, and TCS we have been bearish about TCS from higher levels, about 41,120, 130 levels. All those levels we have suggested to short, and for the support, like it can fall eventually to 4,010. So it has done like 4,010 to 4,011 is 4,000 to 4,010 level is a very, very good support for TCS, and it held that even yesterday and even today also somewhere around near that only it has started bounce. So even now the 4,010 to 4,000 level will act as a very, very good support. So until and unless this holds, so it will try to bounce to 4,050 levels now. So 4,050 will act as a very, very good resistance because by adjoining the recent resistances or supply zones, so we have got this level 4,050, and very recent level also is coming to somewhere around 4,050. So 4,050 we can expect move till 4,090, and below 4,050 we can expect up to 4,010 or 4,000 levels, and below that it can fall more in the coming days, like somewhere around 3965 to 3950 levels it will fall. And next we'll look into Infosys. So Infosys also we are bearish at higher levels after filling the gap of 1920. It has started correcting again. It has fallen down to 1880. So for tomorrow we have very good support around 1875 levels. So breaking of this level can bring it to 1856-57 levels. So if 1875 holds, you can bounce to 1892 levels. The first resistance somewhere around 1891 to 92 levels. And above this, it will try to 1909 to 1908 levels. So these are the levels for Infi. So 1875 holds, you can buy for 1892, 91, 92, and above that 1908 to 1909. And the breaking of 1875 will bring 1857 for Infi. Next, we'll look into SBI. SBI also from higher levels, as expected, it has taken resistance at 78 levels and started continuously means falling. So for the now, we have expected around 730 to 732 levels will be acting as a very good support, and it held today. And it is a bit overbought zone, and also it is kind of positive divergence. There could be a possibility of bounce for this. So if it is holding 732, you can buy it for 744 levels. Above that, 749 levels. And maximum possibility I am seeing for the SBI in the tomorrow or day of tomorrow is 753. Only above 753, fresh buying will be coming. And above means as long as these levels are not breached, you can short at higher levels for 700 levels in the coming days. The next we look into ICICI. ICICI also like same, it is facing higher resistance at higher levels. So for tomorrow, we have very good support around 1253-54 levels. So as long as these levels are held, we can expect ICS to move till this level, 1267. And above this 1267, we can see at 1271 to 72 levels. So as long as this 72 is not broken, you can sell at higher levels for the 1254 or even lower levels. This is what the levels for Nifty, Bank Nifty, and stocks tomorrow. Mark the levels and trade the levels, and have a wonderful trading day tomorrow.